Hello everyone, I am Soumyashree Senapati, Assistant Professor Vedang Institute of Technology. In our previous classes, we have already discussed about how to calculate unit weight of soil. So, to calculate unit weight of soil, we have already 4 methods. The first one is 4-cutter method, water displacement method, submerged mass density method, and the last one is sand replacement method. We have already discussed two methods, our 4-cutter method and water displacement method. In this class, we will discuss submerged mass density method. So, as per Archimedes principle, that he told that the water displaced by, if this is the body, the water displaced, if it is put in case of any object that will be filled with water, the water displaced due to the weight of this body is equal with the weight of this body. Okay. So, if we put the object here, the water sum of, if this is the this is full filled with water, right? So, we have one object, that is W1, and we have one basket that will be filled with water. Okay. As per Archimedes, if we put this W1 inside this bucket, so the water displaced by the weight of this will be similar to the weight of this body. Okay. So, we will use this principle here to calculate unit weight of soil. So, we can only use cohesive soil in this case, because if we use cohesive soil, so cohesive soil has the property to bind itself. Okay. So, it can be easily bind properly, and there will be formation of one proper shape. So, we take cohesive soil. Okay. From these, like submerged mass density method, the result we got, that will be similar with water displacement method, because in case of water displacement method, this method is completely similar to this method. Okay. So, next is, there will be some difference. The difference lies in the measurement of volume of water being displaced by coated specimen. Okay. So, the difference will be here in case of coated specimen. I will discuss that in some time. Okay. So, next point is your what? Volume of water displaced by specimen is noted by measurement of submerged weight of coated specimen. I have already told about, like, submerged is what? We have already discussed what is gamma submerged. That is gamma saturated upon gamma saturated minus gamma W. Gamma saturated is your saturated unit weight, and gamma W is unit weight of water. So, by subtracting gamma saturated with gamma W, we will have gamma submerged. We will use this method here. So, to know the proper method, we will know the procedure. Okay. So, first we will take some amount of soil and make it like in this shape and name it as W1. Okay. So, we can say W1 is our weight of soil. Okay. So, next is what? We will take that W1 and we will coated it with paraffin wax. Okay. So, next name it as W2. So, our W2 will be weight of soil plus weight of paraffin wax. So, here you can say, like you can ask why we use the paraffin wax here. So, as we know, paraffin wax will not melt in case of it added with water. So, we will just coated the soil just to the soil uh, will not melt if it is added in water. Okay. So, now we have W1 and W2. Now, we will do the process of Archimedes principle. We will take the right, we will take the bucket here that will be filled with water. Okay. So, bucket filled with water. So, now we will put this W2 inside the water bucket. Now, here we have one jar that will collect the displaced water. Okay. Here, if the bucket is filled with water and again we put the W2, that is our weight of soil and paraffin wax here. So, what happened? There will be some discharge of water. Now, we will collect this water and take that and name it as W3, or else we can name it as W. Okay. So, here we have all the procedure of how to find out the weight of soil. The weight of soil and weight of paraffin wax and W3. Now, here we will understand these terms. So, what is VW? VW is our volume of water. Here you can see, here W2 has the volume. Okay. This volume is of volume of soil with volume of paraffin wax. Okay. So, now this V2, let it as V2. So, this V2 water will also discharge from the bucket. So, here the water discharged is equal to water discharge will be equal with volume of soil with paraffin wax. Okay. So, here we have VW as volume of water. So, our volume of water will be volume of soil plus volume of paraffin wax. Okay. Next, also we can term the volume of soil as Vs and this volume of paraffin wax as Vw. Okay. So, now we have volume of soil. So, volume of soil will be Vw minus Vpw. We can write it, okay, as Vw is equals to we can say VW equals to Vs plus VPW. So, Vs will be VW minus VPW. Okay. Now we have what is WPW. We know that W2 is what? Weight of soil plus weight of paraffin wax. Right. So, our W2, so our WPW will be W2 minus weight of soil. We can take that as W1 here. We have already taken weight of weight of soil as W1. Okay. So, we have WPW as W2 minus W1, right. Next what? Volume of paraffin wax. We can say we have already known that gamma is equals to weight upon volume. Gamma is our unit weight of solid and W is weight and V is our volume. To find out this volume, we will use the formula as W by gamma. It will be also correct. Okay. So, to find out VPW, we can use WPW upon what? Gamma PW. WPW is weight of paraffin wax and gamma PW is unit weight of paraffin wax. Okay. So, here we have the WPW. So, we can put it here W2 minus W1 upon gamma PW. It is our what? VPW. Okay. So, W3 as W2 minus VW into gamma W. This VW and gamma W is comes from here. Like we know that weight of water will be what? Volume of water into unit weight of water. Right. So, this is our weight of water. Okay. So, we have W3 as W2 minus WW. So, from this equation, let's take it as equation 1. We can find out VW. So, here we can write W2 minus W3 equals to VW into gamma W. From this, from equation 1. Also, we can write that VW equals to W2 minus W3 upon what? Gamma W. So, now we have the volume of water that discharged here. So, the VW is from here. The water discharged due to this box, okay, this soil with paraffin wax. Now, we have calculated the VW. Okay. So, as we need to find out what? Our unit weight of soil. So, to find out unit weight of soil, we need weight of volume, weight upon volume. Okay. Now, till now, we have the weight of water WW and VW. So, now we will put that here. Here, Vs will be what? VW minus VPW. And we have both this term Vw here and Vpw here. So, we can write W2 minus W1 upon gamma, sorry, first this one Vw, W2 minus W3 upon gamma W minus this one here, this term W2 minus W1 upon gamma Pw. Okay. So, we have the biggest part, what we need till now, the volume of soil. Okay. Now what? We have to calculate gamma. So, we need weight of solid upon volume of solid. We have found out the volume of solid, weight of solid we can find out here. Before application of the paraffin wax, if we weight the soil, we already weighted the soil and we have taken it as W1. If we do that process, then we can find out the Ws. Okay. So, now the formula for gamma equals to, we can write W upon V. Also, we can take Ws upon Vs. Ws as weight of solid and Vs as volume of solid. So, we can write Ws upon Vs as here W2 minus W3 upon gamma W minus W2 minus W1 upon gamma Pw. We have gamma W and gamma Pw, so that we can find out the whole unit weight of soil. To calculate the unit weight of soil, we have the formula here. Okay. So, in this class, we have learned about how to find out the whole unit weight of soil by using submerged mass density method. Okay. So, in our next class, we will discuss the another method, that will be our sand replacement method. So, thank you so much.